Hello guys, now this is the third part of the video, that is how to start your own web design agency, and this is about how to show you an easy way of creating a website for a client. Okay, because as an agency you don't have to start everything from scratch. For instance, if you have about 10 projects to complete for your clients, are you going to start each of the projects from scratch? No, it will take much of your time. If care is not taken, most of them may come for their money because the work is not done within the short time that they want. So that's why I'm giving you the straight away you can create a website for your clients. Okay, now let us continue. This time I'm going to show you where to get a different template and then go ahead. So first you can go to part 1, that is Brosky templates. If the template there are not good for you, then you can go to Abstract. You can install Abstract Theme to see if you can get a good template from there. If that one too is not enough for you, then let me show you another place that you can get some. Let's go to plugins. We can delete it. This time I will not cover cleaning of WordPress dashboard, but I just want to remove this plugin from there. Okay, so let's go to add new, and first let me install Elementor. Okay, so I will install Elementor first. So I'll come here and click that. As the installation is ongoing, I will search for another plugin called Elementor. Okay, good. Okay, so this is a plugin, Elementor Element. This plugin, let's click that. Okay, let me go to the install plugins. Let me first activate Elementor. Okay, so I can just close that. Good, and click here to uncheck Elementor overview. Okay, let's go to plugins again and activate the Elementor, and we are good. Now let me show you something. Let's go through Elementor and see some of the these Elementor elements. So let's click there and let's see. We want to go with the free one. They have premium one, but we want things for free. Okay, so let's go with the free ones, and as you can see, all these are free. Okay, all these are free, and they are a lot. Okay, as you can see, up to more is more. Okay, now so let's search. Okay, we can click the category here. We can search through these category, trade services, and we can see trade services here. Okay, some of them, most are very stunning. Okay, let's see this for barbering. We can click here, preview, to view the site. Okay, so you can just click here to view it. I hope you can see this. This is beautiful. I think I love this one. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And let's see, we have this is the home page 1, home page 2, home page 3. Okay, so home page, it has 3, and then we have single services, about services. So you see here I can just click here just to view it well. Good, this is a platform, this is a site. Look at this. Is it not beautiful? I think I love it. It's very nice, very beautiful one. Okay, you can just view it, check it on mobile view, and that is tablet rather. Okay, good. Then you can just scroll down just to see the tablet. You can check the mobile, and that too you can check that. Okay, so very beautiful one. Okay, I think I love it. Let's go back to preview, and then let's see. Let me click here, back. Okay, and we can decide to leave this. So you can just go through it. Let's say, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Okay, good. So all these are templates that you can use. I'm going to show you how to import it. Okay, so first, let's see the one that I will go for. Fix. Okay, let's see. I want to go for this one. Let me select here. Okay, this is like a school website. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. First, let's click preview here. So we'll be able to see the preview. After that, let's come back here. And what we have here, we have install. So you can just view the template and see if you like the structure. I think it's like, I like it. I think it's good. Okay, then you can come here first. Then you click install. Now you can view it. So these are the various templates, okay, or for each pages. Okay, so here as you can see, we have home page 1, home page 2, home page 3. Okay, but I'm going to show you, don't click here to import it. Okay, it's not advisable, but let me show you how to go about it. So first, this is what we are going to do. Let me click here. Okay, let's open this in a new tab. Let's go to pages, but I'll go to add new. I will click new tab here because I don't want to close this part. Let's come back here. Now it says we have to install requirements, some of the requirements. So let's click here and see the requirements. Elementor Pro, we don't have money to buy that. Elementor default color scheme. Okay, settings, Elementor default typography. Okay, so I will uncheck this because we don't have Elementor Pro. We don't have money to buy the lances. Okay, so we have, I can click and can close that. So, but if you need Elementor Pro, let me show you. They are requesting for Elementor Pro. Why? Now, I'm going to, in my next video, I'm going to show you Elementor Pro alternative that you can use, that it will help you a lot. Okay, I'll capture that in my next video. Okay, good. Or another tutorial, but you will definitely, so that's why you need to subscribe, so that when I drop the video, you'll be the first person to get access. Okay, so let us continue. So right now, let's come back to page here, and our first page is home page. Let's go to publish. After that, edit with Elementor. Good. Let me remove that. Come back here. Go down here. Remove. Yes, I want to be able to. I want to get access to this. Good. I can now go back. Okay. Good. Good. So this template, that's, I think I don't like this theme. Okay, this theme will not help me. So first, let me go back and install a new theme. Okay, I don't like this default theme. Let's go to the dashboard, and the theme that we are going to install, let me look at the theme that I have here. See, I don't like this one. So let me click here, add new. We can go with Blosky theme. Okay, so let's go with this one. I can click install and activate. Okay, so we have to install the companion, install and activate. Okay, so that's it, we are done. Okay, so here let's come back here and check this. Okay, good. Now for the starter, the last time I have already covered this tutorial, so I'm not going to mention that. Let's leave here. Okay, so let's come back. Let's go to pages again, because we have already created the home page. So let's go to edit with Elementor again. Okay, so now we are here. Let's come back here. I will close that. So go to settings, go down here, hide the title, select Elementor full width and update. Okay, good. So this is what we are going to do. You see Elementor icon. This is Elementor. Click on that, and this is the template that we have installed. Okay, good. So right now, if I decide to install another one, different template, I will see there. So let's continue from here. So let's come back here and I can view the templates, and I'm now going to select the home page. Okay, so this is the home, and this one we don't have the required plugin, so we are not going to install that, but we can install home 1 or home 2, but you cannot install the two of them. You have to go for one. Okay, so in order to make the decision simple for you, you can just preview it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so when you put the mouse, you see we have this. You can just click on that just to view the structure. Okay, I think I love this. You can just close that, and this one too, if you want to see, you can just click here. Okay, I think I prefer this one. I will install this. So within some minutes to be added. Okay, very simple. Okay, good. As you can see, it has been added. Good. It's looking good. So I can just click here to update it. Okay, sometimes something may go wrong, and it will not it will not fix here. Okay, so let us continue. So as you can see, we have the template. Okay, good. Now let's go back to, let me open this in the new tab. Let me click the preview icon here, and you can see this is the website. Is it not looking beautiful? Okay, good. So I'm going to do 2 of them, then after that I will leave the rest for you to continue from there. So now can I close this one? Let's come back here, or let's go back to, this time I have saved it, so I can just go back and click add another one, and that one will be what? About. Okay, or you can just check the pages. That will tell you what to add. So the next one will be about page. So good, come here and you can just write about. Publish. Edit with Elementor. Okay, good. Come back to settings. Go down here. Hide the title. Elementor full width. Update. Good. Click here again. Select your distance. Now we have to locate about, and about we have only one here, so which means that we have to go for that. So I will click import. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Okay, so I hope you can see that everything is okay. So let me click here to save it. Okay, so the rest is for you to change the images, you see, all these, because if you're designing a website for a school, then you need to make sure that the pictures, everything, the content is about the school. Okay, not the double one. Okay, good. So as you can see, it's looking great, and we have about here. So now you know how to go about it. You have to continue with the rest of the pages. As you can see, we have vision here. We have to create a page for that, our staff, our school life, learning, but not all of them that you need to create a page for that. Some of them you can just decide not to do it. Financial aid, you don't need that in basic school. Admission, you can just add that so that you add the admission process in that school or requirement for that. Okay, so just go through it and add the pages that you think is important and import it. Simple as that. Now I'm going to show you how to create a menu. Then let's go back to the dashboard. You have to go to appearance and then menus. So we have to enter the menu. You can just enter this main menu. Select this one. If you're using Blocksky team, then select header menu 1, and that's it, and add the mobile menu 2 in addition, and click create. Good. So you can select all the pages that you have already added. You see I've already added 2, that's why you can only see 2 here. Okay, I have to bring the home to the top, go down here and save it. Good. Now right now, this is what I'm going to do. I will come back here, okay, and go to reading. I want to make the home a landing page right now. If I go back, let me close this and let me go back here. Go back. If I go to the front end, you see, you cannot see all the change that we have done. But let me go to the reading, static page, select home, go down here and save it. And now, if I refresh the page here, home is now our static page. So you have to design the header and everything. You see, after this tutorial, I will take you through how to create header, okay, different type, using Elementor and other stuff to create header. Okay, good. And I think everything here look amazing, so you have to change it and know how to edit it. Okay, so all that I can say right now is thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get any update. Okay, bye bye.